everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So I know it's been quite some time that I have made a dedicated YouTube video. So here it is, and this is a special video. You'll get to know why. So I wanted to announce that Plum is going to celebrate its 9th birthday sale, and in this video I am going to share 3 of my most favorite products from Plum received from them, and I'm also going to discuss about all the discounts and everything you are going to get from their website, so please stick till the end. As you all know, Plum is one of my favorite brands as it's India's first 100% vegan brand. You will get up to 50% off on all the Plum products on their official website from 30th June to 6th July. Also, I'll provide my discount code on the screen or in the description box so that you get additional discounts on a wide range of products starting from the skincare to hair care to body care to their makeup range. Also, they have launched Baby Plum, which is their baby care range, and that is also amazing. The first product I have today is Plum's 5% niacinamide serum, which is my absolute favorite due to its light texture. It gets absorbed into the skin very easily. It helps to reduce the skin textures and it makes my skin really hydrated and make it look so glowy, and I really love this product. You can try it too. The second product I have today is Plum's Nature Studio All Day Wear Kajal. This is a smudge-proof, waterproof, jet black 2-in-1 kajal cum liner which is 100% vegan and preservative-free. The best part is it is jet black, stays all day long without bothering you. Also, you get a sharpener free with this, so it's a steal deal. The next I have their Plum Coconut Milk and Peptide Strength and Shine Shampoo. This is a 25 ml packaging which retails for rupees 349, which is a really good price, and it's also free from parabens and any other animal derived ingredients. This smells divine, and we all know coconut milk is rich in lauric fatty acid, and due to its low molecular weight it can penetrate the hair shaft easily and strengthen the hair. Also, it makes my hair feel really soft and it makes it look super shiny. Lastly, I just want to inform you that if you purchase products worth above rupees 2000, you are going to get 9 Plum products as free gift. So I feel this is the perfect time to collect all your favorites and restock them for the rest of the year. And at the end, if you like watching my videos and if you want more such videos in future, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you subscribe to my channel, that would mean the world to me. So that's all for today. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.